I will make the perfect fried egg.
Huh? I suddenly feel nervous.
Easy. And no, not like that. See? Nice and gentle. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Why am I even helping? What? Huh? Eggs are too weak. Try cracking into the bowl. No, not the bowl. Like this. Easy. Good. Good, good.
Hot, it's hot. Hot, hot, it's hot tea.
You're impossible. I will cook an egg. Try cracking on D-I-I-S. Too hard, T-O-O hardy. Ouch! Hee! I just wanted to cook breakfast for you guys. It's fine. You're better at protecting us than cooking. Look, let's cook something with no eggs. Yes, I can do noodles. Stick! No, don't touch the... And thus, breakfast was doomed. Presenting CleanBot V1.
It's tiny.
Cleaning protocol activated.
Only normal clutter, not everything.
Object detected. Floor obstruction. Whoa, hey! That's not trash. That's my look.
Hi. Hey, guys. What's with the Comet? Object classified. Dangerous. Must remove. Hey! Give that back!
Looks like it thinks your hammer's a weapon. It's heading for Green Hill. All right, little bot. Playtime's over. I'm analyzing its movement. Keep it in sight. Initiating deep cleaning mode.
Oh, great!
Yeah! Take that. Object identified. RED hazard. Must collect. Red? What? Hey, let go! This is gold. It's circling. Cut left, Sonic. Finally, freedom.
You kidding me? I'm trying to slow it down.
Okay, little buddy. Road ends here.
Yeah, CleanBot. I want my hammer back. System overload shutting down.
Okay, maybe I tuned its intelligence a bit too high.
Nah, just high enough to be hilarious.
One quiet afternoon, Tails was scanning for strange signals around Green Hill.
You sure this isn't just another static is my best friend day, Tails?
Just one more sweep. If there's anything weird out there, I'll find it. Whoa! There! That's new!
Sonic, that's an SOS signal. Say no more. Wait, I haven't triangulated the exact location. He never waits for the explanation. SOS in the forest? Sounds like my kind of afternoon jog.
Okay, mystery person, where are you hiding?
Anyone out there? That, sounded familiar.
Please don't let it be what I think it is.
So, this is our big emergency? I was testing my strength. The rock cheated. You know, most people just lift weights. They don't marry a boulder. Can you just get me out instead of doing stand-up? All right, big guy. On 3. Try not to rip the mountain in half. Wait, not so. You ever heard of the word gentle? Not in my dictionary.
I followed the signal as fast as I could. Who's in trouble?
Mystery solved. Our victim was locked in a passionate relationship with a rock.
Of course it was Knuckles. I wasn't in trouble. I was strategically stuck. For training. Next time your training sends an SOS, at least buy the rock dinner first.
The good news is, the emergency's over.
The bad news is I'll never hear the end of this. If every rescue is this entertaining, you guys should send more SOS signals.
Please don't encourage him.
And so, another great emergency ends with a joke and a lesson. Some rocks are better left unflexed. Stupid rock! Today, Sonic wants to break his own speed record. Sonic! I upgraded the speed analyzer. Let's set a new world record. Analyzer ready! Don't go too crazy. Woohoo!
That's not good. Sonic! Something's coming out!
Designation. Master. Objective. Outrun Sonic. Too slow. Oh, you're ON. And the impossible race begins. Speed level beyond Sonic. Like heck, I'm losing to me. Okay, he's good. Processing. Sonic inferior. H-E-Y. Rude.
Its speed is... Double-onics, double Sonics.
Let's see you outpace the IS. Attempt. Match velocity failed. Try harder. Okay, that was kind of cool. Not cool. Oof. I lost. to myself.
Victory achieved!
Good news! Master is only faster because of a glitch.
Great! My glitch is cooler than me! Continuing objective, outrun Sonic. Hey, get back here! And so, Sonic begins a new record attempt.